Hey, I'm David Gardner. I currently live in Utah in the United States. I've been doing SolidWorks for about over 7 years, and I recently passed my CSWP, and I've got a couple years of 2D drafting, machining. I spent a little time in the quality department. I got interested in the challenge after watching Raphael's introduction.
Howdy.
And I just kind of started immediately thinking about how I could do it. And the prize money was a motivator as well. So my approach was I started listing out the constraints and the requirements from the brief. I also am really excited about keeping part counts low and simplifying assemblies. So that was a personal goal that I kind of added onto my project. Because besides the benefits of cost savings with ordering and time to manufacture, I think it encourages a utilitarian elegance to keep those part counts low. So anyway, I doodled out thumbnail sketches of just kind of as many ideas as I could think of to try to maximize the concepts I thought of, and then I would refine those that were meeting the goals and try to borrow elements from different ones. And so once I had a final concept pretty much refined in sketching, then I jumped onto SolidWorks and modeled it up. And then I tried to document my process in addition to the CAD, but kind of the doodling and everything, and then present it in a professional way, because I think that affects the perception of the final item. I liked that there was entries from all over the world. It was interesting to see the the variety of approaches. And then the submission process itself was really streamlined. It was fast to sign up, fast to submit. Why not? Certainly if there's some prize money, but even if there's not, for me anyway, it was nice to have a outside incentive of the competition to encourage me to showcase, what I'm capable of. I think the competition kind of encourages you to sharpen your skills. So that's it. Thanks.